everyone, welcome to Rani Computer Science Academy. Today we will discuss about the fundamental models. It is one of the concept in our distributed system. It is also very important topic, students, and don't skip this video. Watch till end of this class so that you can understand what are the methods are there and how we will use in our distributed system. In distributed system fundamental models, there are the three. It is divided into three models, that is the interaction model, failure model and the security model. Mainly we will use these three methods. Now I will see each one of them. Don't skip this video. Watch till end of this class and first like this video so that it reaches to so many students. And first prepare well and write well exams. In your semester exams, write point wise. Don't, so that the examiner will get good impression on your booklet and you can pass easily and you can score many more marks. Let's start our class. The fundamental models are divided into three. Draw this flow chart, students. Three methods. That is the interaction model. That is the interaction model. Next is the failure model. Next is security model. These three are the fundamental models. Here, interaction model. The interaction model is interacting with complex ways. Interacting is complex ways. In many ways we can interaction will done here. Next, interaction is interacting with another to provide a service. The multiple servers cooperate. Multiple servers cooperate with each other. Note down these points, students. to provide the another server. This is called as the interaction model. Next is the failure model. These failure models are divided into 5 types are there, students. 5 failures are there, methods. Here failure models are, first is the omission failures. Omission failures. Next is the communication omission failures. Communication. Note down all these points, students, and write point wise in your semester exams. And if you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon so that when I will upload the videos, you will get by notification. Communication omission failures. Next is the arbitrary failures. Next failures is the timing failures. Timing synchronization process. Timing failures. Next is the masking failures. All these are the failures. Different methods are there in the failure model. Actually, omission failures. The omission failures is the fault classified into omission failures. The fault classified into omission failures. Next is the communication omission failures. While communicating the information will get this interrupts. That time it is called as the communication omission failures. like client and receiver, send and receiver is there. For example, note down this diagram. Send is there, next receiver is there. Here we have we are sending and receiving process. Some interrupts will occur. Communication channel. This is the it is outgoing message buffer. Next is the incoming message buffer. Here receive means incoming message buffer. This is the sending and receiver. At that time we will have some interrupts. That is called as the communication omission failures. Next is the arbitrary. It is encryption and decryption process. At that time we will get the failures. It is called as the arbitrary failures. Next is the timing failures. The timing failures is there. The time of synchronization it will be occur. The timing failures to set the time. At that time also we will get some errors. It is called as the timing failures. Next is the masking failures. Masking failures also if you will have many interrupts while sending and receiving client to server, that is called as the masking failures. Next is the security model. The security model for security purpose from client to server information sending purpose we will use the security to secure channel. In that also we have the secure channel. In this we have the security purpose. This is called the security model. Note down all these points in your notes, students, and prepare well and write well exams. If you have any doubts about this class, write in comments. I will definitely reply to you. And if you are in our channel, we discuss all cloud computing, cyber security, artificial intelligence and machine learning, database management system. All those playlist link are in description. You can follow it and prepare well and write well exams. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon and select all, so that when I will upload the videos, you'll get by notification. You can pass all our CC subjects, and first you like this video so that it reached so many students, and share this video. Thank you. In next class we can meet.